Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. If you are not able to access a few websites on your laptop or desktop and you are getting this kind of error, this site can't be reached. In this video, we are going to troubleshoot and fix this issue. First, check your proxy settings in your system. So click on the Windows icon or you can click on the search box and type proxy. You will get this option, change proxy settings, click on it. Now here you will see this option, manual proxy setup. Disable the manual proxy, click here to turn off the manual proxy. Okay, always turn off or disable your manual proxy. Click on here to cut. Now if I check, as you can see, now it's working. But if you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next step. Right click on the Wi-Fi icon, then click on this option, open a network and internet settings. Now here click on this option, change adapter options. Now here you will get Wi-Fi option and this Ethernet option. If you are using a LAN cable on your desktop, right click on this Ethernet option. But if you are using a Wi-Fi, right click on the Wi-Fi, then click on properties. And you have to do the same method if you are using a Ethernet option. Okay. Now in this window, select this option, Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties. Now here, select this option, use the following DNS server address. Now type the IP address manually, 8.8.8.8. In the second column, type 8.8.4.4. Click on OK, click on close. That's it. Now check if you are still getting the same issue. Move on to the final method you can try. Open the command prompt. So click on the Windows icon, then type cmd. Now right click on command prompt, then click on this option, run as administrator. Now here you have to type a few commands. So the first command will be ipconfig /release. Press enter. Now type the next command, ipconfig /flush DNS. Press enter. Type the final command, ipconfig /renew. Press enter. Now this will take some time. Process completed. Now cut this window and after that restart your system and this will fix the error. One more important thing you can try is always use a updated browser. So if I try to update my browser, click on help, then click on this option about Chrome browser. So I'm using a up-to-date browser. So the point is make sure use a updated browser. So these are the methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.